family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be another exciting natural hair video. I'm going to be trying two types of aloe vera and telling you what my thoughts are. You guys know that aloe vera is one of my favorite natural hair growth product, but a lot of you guys say that you don't have access to the actual aloe vera leaf. So I was thinking, I did some research and I actually found some fresh aloe vera in a bottle online. So yes, you can actually get fresh aloe vera online. Now, I've never used it. I don't know what it looks like, what it feels like, what it's gonna do to my hair. And you guys know that I like to try things out so you guys can see if it's worth it, if it's worth buying it, if it's worth trying it. We're just gonna find out, okay? So in today's video, we are going to be putting the fresh aloe vera leaf against our store-bought aloe vera. So I'm gonna be trying these two products out and telling you exactly what I think. This is my natural hair. It's super dry right now, as you can see. Super dry. It has my natural curls in there. There is no product whatsoever in my hair. And my hair, as you guys know, shrinks a lot. So this is where we are. But today, like I said, we're gonna be trying out two forms of aloe vera and seeing exactly how they work. With that said, let's get into the video. All right, family, so I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair off here. So let me make a part. So family, I have my hair up. I think the way I want to do this is I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair first. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it with a little bit of water. This is just water in here. This spray bottle is actually a wrinkle-free spray bottle. So this is for like when you have wrinkle in your clothes. It has a solution in here. You're supposed to spray it with it and it helps get the wrinkle out. So once I ran out of the solution, instead of throwing the bottle away, I'm just gonna use this as a spray bottle because the little spraying part works really well. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and spray a little bit of water on my hair as I try this stuff out. First thing first, I wanna show you guys what this aloe vera looks like. We already know what the other aloe vera looks like. It's nice and slippery. See, this is the first time I'm ever gonna use this. It still has the thing on it. I'm gonna pour some in here. That's what that looks like. It has a thick consistency. It's definitely not slippery at all. It has a thick consistency versus our actual aloe vera that has a slippery consistency. So right off the bat, I already know that this is not going to be used as a detangler. So we're probably only going to use this for the hair growth property. So first, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. Maybe I should section this part off. Let me section this off into two. And then we'll use one side for the aloe vera juice and then one side for the store-bought aloe vera. So this is what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my hand. I have enough in my hands. Let me get up so you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna go ahead and rub it on my hair. So I need a little bit more. I'm gonna rub it on my hair. So this is what I'm getting. My hair actually has natural curls, so that is what you're seeing there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna try to take an Afro pick to try to brush or comb through my hair. Okay, it's not bad. It did make my hair a little soft. And yeah, it just feels like I sprayed my hair with water. That's what it feels like. You can definitely use it as a detangler. You just have to apply a lot and then wait and let it soak into your hair, and then you can detangle. So it's not bad. I would definitely use this as a treatment, not for the detangling purposes, but definitely for the hair growth properties. I would put this in my hair, detangle my hair, cover my hair up, and just let it do its thing. And then go back and wash it out. All right, so this is what it looks like. So not bad at all. I actually like this. I like how bouncy it's making my hair look. That's pretty. I like that. So this is what this aloe vera looks like. Nice and slippery. This is what I'm used to when it comes to aloe vera, but we'll see. All right, I have some here. I'm gonna rub it in my hand and then rub it on my hair. All right, family, it looks like it's finally detangled. I can finally just like comb through it. So then I'm gonna go ahead and braid it up, okay? All right, family, so I did go ahead and do all 4 of it. This is what it looks like. Honestly, family, I didn't see a lot of difference. Now, there are pros and cons. So for the fresh aloe vera, for those of you guys who do have access to it, it's usually very inexpensive. So you can get it for anywhere from $1 to $1.99. It is also super natural, so it's 100% natural. There's nothing added. And you can actually keep the actual plant in your refrigerator for about a month to a month and a half. I have noticed that when I do keep it in for that long, sometimes it turns purple. So the leaf gets a little darker, kind of like that. It gets a little darker, and when you go to cut it, you'll see that it's purple, but I've never had a problem with that. I still go ahead and use it anyway. So yeah, you can keep this for about a month or a month and a half. Now, I wouldn't suggest making the juice and then keeping it, because once the juice sits around for a while, it turns into water, or it has like a watery consistency. So if you were gonna use it for the detangling purpose, I wouldn't do that. It's really easy to cut, peel, and I guess scoop out. So I wouldn't do that and keep it. I would just keep the actual leaf in the refrigerator. Another good thing about the actual leaf is the fact that you can plant it. It's pretty easy to grow. So you can plant these in your house, in your backyard, in your farm. You can keep these anywhere. I do plan on doing that as well, but I just haven't had the time to do it. So yeah, you can plant it, have it for yourself, and that way you don't have to buy it. But if you do have to buy it, it's really not that expensive. And the other good thing about this is the fact that, again, you can use it as a detangler. You don't have to go buy a separate product to use as a detangler. You can also use it as a pre-poo. It has massive hair growth properties, and it's just overall, honestly, my favorite. This, on the other hand, when I did actually do the side-by-side comparison, I didn't really see a big difference. The only thing about this is the fact that, number one, it's kind of expensive, plus shipping just for the bottle. And if you're gonna do your whole head, you're only gonna be able to use this twice, because you do have to use a lot to get it to the point where you can detangle your hair. But I do like how it made my hair feel. It made my hair feel soft, and it was kind of easy to detangle. The other great thing about this is you can get this anywhere, so you don't have to plant it. You can actually get this already made, and you can just apply it to your hair. But the only thing with that, like I said, it's a little more expensive than this one. The other thing you have to consider is the fact that this has a little bit of preservative. But the great thing is, especially for the US people, this is 100% made and grown in the US, and it says that it is 99% aloe vera gel. So if you're looking for 100% natural, this is not it, but it's pretty close. The only thing is, it's kind of expensive. You have to order it, pay for shipping, wait for it to come to you before you can use it. Versus this, it's 100% natural. It's cheaper. You can go to the grocery store and get it. You don't have to wait to have it delivered. But the downside is you have to make this yourself, and you can't keep this for as long as you can keep this. So you guys, that is what I think about the fresh aloe vera versus the bottled aloe vera. There definitely are some pros and cons, but at the end of the day, it is fresh aloe vera, and you guys know that we love aloe vera. So go ahead and try these out and let me know what you think. I am going to leave a link to this one in the description so you guys can find it. And for this one, like I said, I usually get it from my local grocery store. For those of you who are in the Ohio, Columbus area, you can get it from Kroger, Walmart, some Hispanic stores, and you can also get it from Whole Foods, from what I heard. I've never gotten it there, but some people say that you can get it there as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put a plastic bag on my head, wait a little bit, I want to say about an hour, and wash my hair, and I'll also tell you guys how it turns out. Alright family, thank you guys again so much for watching. If there's any other natural hair products out there that you guys would like me to try, go ahead and comment it down below. A lot of you guys have already commented some other things you want me to try, but yeah, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you want me to try next and I'll try it. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Please go ahead and share the video so a lot more people can see it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!